The student population in schools or colleges or even doctoral students are having examination phobia. 10% of any population is having examination phobia. So when they go to the exam, their palpitation will go up. Before exam, they will have loose motion, temperature, and sometimes they may not be able to go to the exam hall. And because of fever and all that, because of anxiety, known as examination phobia. How to overcome? I would suggest one very simple method. On Monday, ask the student to set the question paper on Monday, any one subject. So at that situation, the student feels like a question paper setter or an experienced teacher on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, let the student prepare answers for those questions for which he has prepared, and ask the person to note down the answers in a long-sized notebook and try to remember it throughout the lifetime. Because if they decide to remember it throughout their lifetime, it will go into the long-term memory. Then on Thursday, let them sit tightly and take the exam, and no invigilation, no copying, no bits. They have to look at the question paper and write the answers only based on their memory. Then Friday, they have to evaluate the paper as an experienced teacher. They have to imagine that they are a very stringent examiner, and if they want to give for a 10 mark question, if they want to give 5, don't give 5, give 4, 3.5, 3, 2.5, like that. In a very stringent manner, they can allocate marks. Then after that, finding the total, they can go out, have some snacks or cool drinks or hot drinks, and then come back. Again, now they have to imagine they are a very lenient, friendly examiner, and evaluate the same answer sheets, and now give marks liberally. If they want to give 5 out of 10, why 5? Give 6, 7, 7.5. Very liberally give the marks. Then take the total of both the examiners, the stringent examiner and the liberal examiner, and take the average. Now that will be a feedback with regard to their performance on that subject for that week. So next week, again start preparing a question paper on a different subject and repeat the same procedure every week. Okay, every week one subject. By that, they are preparing for the exam from day 1 of the semester, and they are well prepared, and there will not be examination phobia. And the phobia comes down and the performance improves, and they will get very good marks. And this is a technique which students can use. This is known as a behavior technology for overcoming examination phobia.